Okay, so now that we've completed both legs and feet, we are gonna close the center of the body. So you're gonna take that tail from where you attach the second leg and put that through your daring needle. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these center stitches now. And we are just gonna whip stitch the center of the body closed. So I'm gonna start on one end. And work my way in both directions. Once I've closed the center of the body, you're just gonna go ahead and take this needle and you're gonna thread that back through.